All right, so we're gonna do a 130,000 mile service, pretty much oil change, and rear brakes. It's gonna be a two-part video. I'm gonna do the rear brakes first, and then in another video I'll do the front and other maintenance. Oil change, I have done a video before, so we're not gonna record that, but we're gonna do the rear brakes. Rear brakes, they have the electronic motor for the e-brake. So we're gonna put it in service mode. Again, this is the main menu, brake pad replace. This is only gonna apply for the rear brakes. And now is unwinding the caliper electric motor. And then at house reach, now since it's already been reached, we don't wanna exit, so we're just gonna turn it off. Now we can service the e-brakes. First thing, we're gonna remove the T30. There you go. It's nice and easy, which is good. Now I'm gonna remove the clip, and then we're gonna put some pressure on it to move the piston. So now we're gonna take the cover, remove the bolts with the 7mm Allen socket. It's one, another one over here. Make sure, guys, just if you're gonna do it, put it back on. Keep the rust and junk out of these bolts. If the bolts are loose, slide it out, and then this wire is stuck in here, and just pull it out. That way we can rest the caliper. As you guys can see, it's already getting stuck. So these are, I believe, 130,000 miles. And look at this one, nothing. So it was still braking, but the pedal was really low. So 18mm. The rotor came nice and easy, pretty rusty. Man, almost a 9-year-old rotor with 133,000 miles. I don't think it's never been replaced. I believe I was the second owner of this car. I think I got my money's worth. It's pretty rusty. It's nice and easy. Beautiful. All right, next is the caliper bracket, and then we got the brake pads OEM. Compared to the new one and the old one, yeah, I was way overdue. Okay, I was having issues for fitting, so make sure the one with the clip goes in the back. Lines are not kink. All right, caliper secure. Don't forget your caps. This side is done. Now we do the same thing on the other side, with the difference that the other one has a sensor. All right, after breaking the little tab over here, I was able to just pry it out. Comes right off. So I don't know how. Anyway, you may want to look a video. But anyway, I pried it out slowly and it came right off. Don't try to lift it because I broke the little tab over here, but it doesn't get secure from there. So, but that's the brake pad sensor. My light is on, so I gotta put the sensor in here. All right, brake pads are done. Brake pad sensor, brake pad connector. That's the only difference. The sensor is on the passenger side of the C300. So, all right, got new brakes. I just got to put the wheel back on. And we finished installed the brand new brake pads. So now we're just gonna reset the light. So if you guys can see, it's blinking. So we're gonna put the switch on. I'm gonna hold the OK and the answer phone. All right. So now we're at this menu. We're gonna go to brake pad replacement. Okay, we're gonna hit OK one more time. And then we're gonna hit OK. I heard the brake pads or the e-brake engage. So we're gonna hit OK now. And that was it. Turn the switch off, on and off. And pump the brake pedal just to make sure we don't forget. Start the cart. And then no brake light. I used to have the brake light on because the sensor was already on the overdue setting. So triple OK. As you guys can see, I have 133,241 miles as 2026. So I had never replaced the brake pads before. That's the reason why I went OEM. And especially I had a BMW before and I went a little bit cheaper, and the brake pedal feeling was more spongy, and I really didn't like the feeling of it. I really like the BMW Mercedes bite on the brakes. It really has a good clamping, and I want to stay with that braking feel. So if you guys made it to this far in the video, thank you. And I have more videos on my channel if you guys want to check them out. If you want to subscribe, we'll appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.